How to force dark mode to all apps on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily enable dark mode or force dark mode to all available apps on your Android device. Let's begin. First thing you have to do is open up your control panel by swiping down on your screen, and you can easily turn on dark mode right here. Tap on the dark mode icon right beside your brightness bar. Tap on it. It's going to turn on dark mode throughout your system, but there are some apps that does not work in dark mode even if you turn it on. So what you want to do is instead tap on settings. Now you want to go over all the way to the bottom and find developers option. If you don't have it, you can go to your software information on about phone and keep tapping on build number. You'll unlock the developers options here. Tap on it. Then you want to scroll down here and you'll see something called force dark mode. So just keep scrolling here until you find that option. So it should be somewhere around here on your hardware and accelerated rendering. You can find this force dark mode option. You can force apps to use dark mode even if not fully supported. Tap on the toggle and you should be good to go. Now you can open up other apps that does not necessarily use dark mode, and after a few minutes it should force dark mode on all of your apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.